Alright, so I'm playing a mirror. Um, some other Puresteel Paladin deck. I have 3 lands, 3 Blade Hold, and a Memnite. And I'm going to keep this simply because Blade Hold wins the mirror. And I will probably be able to cast one turn 4, and then turn 5, and then turn 6. So hopefully this will get there. So no, I'm not going to mulligan. So yeah, me and CJ are both 2-0, and we're both playing mirrors this round. So hopefully we both win. Gonna attack, he's gonna take it. And I'm gonna play a hero and say go. Or not hero, Puresteel. You know what I mean. That's kind of an interesting play, I guess. It's one way to hold off my aggro, I suppose. I'm just gonna pass. I don't really want to attack and trade with either of his guys. Hopefully this hero will just get me there. You could have a dispatch or a dismember, but I'm not really worried because I have 2 more heroes. And I'm gonna start getting aggressive. It'll be interesting to see how he blocks. He's just going to block the tokens, fair enough. There's a good chance he'll just concede when I play the second hero. Because frankly, I have no idea how you beat that. Yeah, I don't even think a Sword of War and Peace is going to beat that. Yep, and he scoops. Nice quick game. I actually don't remember how I bored for the mirror. Ironically enough, I don't play a lot of mirrors. I definitely want these. I don't really need their evoke existence, I think, because the only artifact I'm worried about is Sword of War and Peace. I think I'm gonna board out 2 Glint Hawks. Jeez, what do I want to do, actually? I really don't know. I think I want 1 dispatch. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know if I boarded correctly, but frankly the sideboard isn't really that important in the mirror. Keeping that triple hero hand certainly paid off, though. I think it was the correct decision, because either lands or spells would have been a good draw. This hand is actually kind of sweet. These are pretty much all the cards you want to see in the mirror. This is a nice aggressive hand. It's got lots of threats. Um, I guess I don't even know what he's deciding about. It's not like he can block. Now I can play either the Vault Scourge or the Puresteel Paladin. If I play the Vault Scourge, then if I top deck a Memnite next turn, I can turn 3 Blade Holds. But I think, given that I boarded a Memnite out, the odds of that happening are less than me drawing an equipment. So I'm just going to play the Puresteel. Plus the potential card draw off the Puresteel will help me draw into the 4th land to play the Blade Hold. And he misplayed. He could have shot me with the Mortar Pod. Yeah, I'm just going to attack with both my guys. He's probably going to block with a Glint Hawk and take the Puresteel. When he plays the Mortar Pod, I'm going to cast Dismember. Yep, Dismember. I do not want you to get more card advantage. Jeez, he had 2 Mortar Pods. And I'm guessing he's gonna kill one of my guys now. Yep. Yep. Luckily, though, I'm a sack, so I have 2 Puresteels. Man, and I top another Flare Husk. What is it like? What is it like? And I'm just gonna play both Vault Scourges, because why not? People usually don't board in marrow shards for the mirror, so I'm not really concerned. And there's that hero of blade holds. I have to decide if I want to play the flare husk or the blade holds. I don't really see an advantage of playing the flare husk now, so I'm just going to play the blade holds. I could move over the flare husks, both the blade holds, which I think I'm going to do. That way if he has a dismember, I don't get blown out. It'll be interesting to see what he does here. Because like if he has a dispatch, he can animate the Nexus. Or just do that. But obviously he doesn't have a dispatch because he has no cards in hand. So I think he's about to get his ship pushed in, needless to say. Really? What is this guy thinking? Alright, I guess I'll kill his blade hold. I guess, let me think. Oh. So let's see, he's at 14. Can block. Takes 2, another 10. So let's see, block. If he blocks this guy, I'll take 4, 3, 7, and that's 11. I'm just going to do this and gain 5. I don't think he'll be able to kill me this turn. I'm at 10. Now we'll see what he does. But I don't think any draws win this for him. Yep, he scoops. Good game.